Now behind me is a set of 3000 automatic rewinding machine production and processing of the actual situation. We can look at the vat of paper through the rewinding machine for processing decomposition into a 3 m long small roll of the whole barrel of toilet paper, and then the whole roll of paper by the mechanization of the automatic cutting machine sent to us. This big square box is to cut toilet paper. Cutting toilet paper can be based on the actual needs of your local settings. The whole production line is simple to operate, save time and labor. Through a small belt conveyor to our final automatic baler for sealing, the package can also be set according to your local actual requirements. The whole production line is easy to operate, save time and labor. Now we see is the cut toilet paper through the small belt conveyor transported to our last automatic baler for sealing. This sealing can also be set according to your local actual requirements. Now what you see is the whole bag of toilet paper that has been made can be taken to the market for sale. The whole production line can be completed by only 3 people, high production efficiency, only 100 square feet. You can realize at home to make money. If you are interested, you can write to me to provide you with detailed information and quotations.